Today I'm going to show you how to disable the pop-up blocker in Google Chrome in just a few quick steps. If pop-ups are being blocked when you're trying to sign in, open a form, or access an important website, this simple setting change can fix the problem fast. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main menu where you can access all of your browser settings. From there, click Settings. Once the settings page opens, look at the menu on the left side or the main settings area, depending on your Chrome version. Click Privacy and Security. This section contains the controls for browsing data, permissions, and website behavior. After that, select Site Settings. Now you're in the area where Chrome manages what websites are allowed to do. Scroll down until you find pop-ups and redirects, then click it. This is the setting that controls whether websites can open new windows or redirect you to other pages. If the pop-up blocker is turned on, Chrome will stop those actions automatically. On the pop-ups and redirects page, you'll see a setting that determines whether pop-ups are blocked or allowed. To disable the pop-up blocker, select sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. Once you choose this option, Chrome will allow pop-ups on sites that you visit, which can be useful for logins, downloads, payment windows, support chats, and other browser-based tools. If you want to be more selective, you can also allow pop-ups for specific websites instead of turning the setting on for everything. That way, you keep control while still fixing the sites you trust. But if your goal is to completely disable the pop-up blocker, this is the exact setting you need. After you make the change, you can close the Settings tab. Your new preference is saved automatically, so there's nothing else you need to do. Now, when you return to a website that was blocked before, the pop-up should open normally. And that's it. You've now disabled the pop-up blocker in Google Chrome. If this video saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.